a grounding meditation to connect you to the earth through breath work. We are made up of energy, and the earth is one great big beautiful ball of positive and negative ions. Let's tap into those wonderful negative ions that protect you from dirty pollution, EMFs, and help balance your nervous system. This meditation is best done standing, with your feet directly onto the earth. But if you can't, sit comfortably or lie down with your bare feet on the ground. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath and breathe. Breathe in through your nose, deep into your belly, and out through your mouth in a perfect rhythm of 2. In for 2, out for 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 2. Stabilize your breath. Out for 2. In for 2, out for 2. Keep breathing. Out for 2. In for 2, out for 2. In for 2, out for 2. In for 2, out for 2. Feel a white light above you, washing over your body like a waterfall, washing through your body, sweeping away any negative energy that serves you no longer. Relax any tension from the past. Breathe it in and let it go. Relax your body, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your arm, your hands, your fingers, your torso, your gut, your core, your legs, and right down into your feet. Keep breathing. Feel your feet spreading out onto the ground. Reach out. Reach out. Down into the ground. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Spreading your roots deep into the earth, like the roots of a tree. Reach out. Reach out. Connecting with trillions of miles from all the other deep roots. Feeling connected. Reach out. Reach out. Feel the strength that the earth allows you, enabling you to grow taller and stronger. Remember, even if you have been battered by the storm, you have the power of regrowth to blossom and flourish and reach out. Spread your roots deeper, deeper, and deeper. Connecting to the energy of the earth that is here to support you. Feel your energy going deeper and deeper. Reach out through the layers of the earth until you can cut into the earth's core and feel its heat. The heat of love, Mother's love, Mother Earth. Keep breathing. Now feel the heat rising up into your root, rising through your feet, blowing up your legs. Feel its energy in your core. Visualize the light of the root chakra, swirling and twirling in your core. The chakra of the first year of your life. And breathe it in, up through your legs, up through your body. Breathe in, and release it back into the center of the earth. And hold your breath. Just hold your breath for as long as is comfortable. And feel that heat. See the red, swirling, swirling. Push past your comfort zone. And when you need to take a breath, take a small breath in and release it back. And just relax. Deep into the ground, deep into the core of the earth. Just relax and let it all go. And if you feel like you need to take a breath, just push past your comfort zone a little bit further. Feel it flowing up your legs. Feel its energy in your core. Visualize that red root chakra, swirling and twirling, the chakra of the first year of your life. Know that you are safe in the here and now. Know your strength and your power. And breathe it out. Breathe in a rhythm of 2. In for 2, out for 2, in for 2, out for 2, in for 2, out for 2, in for 2, out for 2. Reach out Feel your strength growing. Now take a full breath in, right the way up through your body, right the way up through your legs, right the way up through to your head, and push it out of your third eye. Push it out to the universe, your energy, your strength. Keep going. And just hold that as long as is comfortable. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And just squeeze. Pull on your Mulabandha and squeeze. And when you are ready, let it go with a sigh. And bring your attention back to your space and your body. Move your fingers. Move your toes and come back to the present moment and gently open your eyes. Know that you can always return to this place of safety and that it is stored deep within your core, and you have the power to use it whenever you choose.